Good morning, finally done here. I did everything I wanted to do. Shower, I shaved, did the laundry, the dishes, cleaned my bedroom, I did my bed, etc, etc. So it's 10 a.m. and I'm gonna get going. Hopefully I'll get to reach Nevada today. So let's see what happens. Talk to you later. See you. Actually, I'm not in Nevada yet. Now I am. And I think something is wrong with this sign. It says welcome to Utah, but I'm leaving Utah. Someone needs to fix this. But if you wonder where you can find a small can of WD-40 on Labor Day weekend, well, you can find it right there. That's great. Hopefully that'll fix my throttle issue. I think it's sticking somewhere, so good to go. Going to the mountains. Talk to you later.